I'm Jake Yarnish, 2018 graduate, currently working in Johnstown, Martin Baker, America. We're the world's leading ejection seat manufacturer. Beside that, we also make helicopter seats for the Black Hawk helicopter. So I grew up just a few miles away from the Mount, and I wanted to go somewhere closer to home. And initially, that's what it was for me. And it ended up being so much more than that. Actually, pretty close to dropping out of college at one point. Things just weren't working well for me. I was able to find some mentors within the Mount at cocked behind me, pushed me forward, and kept me going, which was huge because I didn't really have that anywhere else. It ended up being a family, is now bringing students to my facility because I'm that passionate about what the Mount did for me. Today we brought in Mount Aloysius operations management class and gave them a tour of our facility, showed them manufacturing, and also sat them down and showed them different roles that are available within manufacturing. Some of these positions aren't always talked about within the college setting, so having that hands-on experience, learning what's all out there, especially close to home, was really what we honed in on.